Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to add a calendar in Google Sheets. So first thing is just simply go to your spreadsheet, and now from here, first thing that you will do in order for you to add a calendar, just simply go ahead and select a range. So let's say I'm gonna go for 1 to 5, and I'm gonna go for letter B, and after that just simply right click on it, and you will have an option over here, view more cells actions. When you right click on the selected range, and you will have an option over here, data validation. So just simply select this one, and now from here at the top right corner you should be able to see add a rule, and after that you could just simply select the criteria over here and go for is validate. And after that, when you go for the advanced options over here, you will have this one over here, and now you could also show a warning or reject the input. So I recommend not doing anything after providing this one, and just simply select done. Now as you can see, when we double click on this one, we will have our date over here, and you could be able to add a calendar over here. And when you go to the unselected date, as you can see, it is not applied. And from here, you should be able to add a calendar on the Google Sheet. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.